Thinking about starting a business in 2024? It's a question worth pondering, considering the exciting opportunities that lie ahead. In this video, we're going to explore the top 3 businesses to kickstart in 2024. So, stay tuned to discover the top 3 businesses to kickstart in 2024. First on the list is e-commerce. As we look towards 2024, the online shopping trend shows no signs of slowing down. In fact, it's burgeoning. Starting an e-commerce business could be your golden ticket. It all begins with a user-friendly website, a place where your customers feel at home. Then you'll need effective marketing strategies to make your brand stand out. And let's not forget top-notch customer service, the secret sauce to customer loyalty. E-commerce, a business opportunity that is as vast as the internet itself. Second on the list is green energy solutions. As our world becomes more conscious of its ecological footprint, the demand for clean, renewable energy is skyrocketing. This makes green energy a promising entrepreneurial venture in 2024. The key to success in this sector? Innovation and sustainability. Tackling environmental challenges with creative solutions that not only benefit the planet, but also turn a profit. Green energy solutions, a business that profits while saving the planet. Third on the list is health and wellness coaching. As we march forward into the future, the spotlight on mental and physical well-being is brighter than ever. This awareness has sparked a surge in demand for health and wellness coaching. If you have a passion for helping others and a knack for empathetic communication, this could be your calling. But remember, certified training is crucial to establish credibility in this field. Health and wellness coaching, a business that brings health and wealth together. So there you have it. Top 3 businesses to start in 2024. E-commerce, green energy solutions, and health and wellness coaching. All brimming with potential and ready to shape the future. Enjoyed the video? Subscribe for more business tips and strategies. Remember, your success story starts here.